Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how you can convert HEIC photo to JPEG or whatever file format of your choice. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click that subscribe. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can convert HEIC photo file into JPEG format. So let's get started. So right here I have about two different files of HEIC file format. So when you have HEIC file format on your PC, it becomes difficulty to open the file. This is because there are some steps you need to follow before you can open HEIC file. So let's take a look. Alright, so as you can see right here, this file is unable to open. This is because this is an HEIC file format. So for you to open this type of file format, you have to convert it to JPEG. I'm going to show you the easy way to do that online for free. So first thing first, let's head over to my browser. So the first thing we want to do is to go to our address bar and create a new tab. Then we have to type in I love IMG. Then we press enter on our keyboard. Then you have to click on the first result right here. Click on that. Alright, so it takes you to this page. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure you look for convert to JPEG. So you have to click on here. So right here, these are the different file formats that you can convert to for free. You can convert to PNG, GIF, TIF, PSD, SVG, WebHelp, and HEIC. So this is what we wanted to do. So you have to click on HEIC. Having clicked on HEIC, so you can see the indicator right here that we are converting HEIC to JPEG. So for you to do that, you have to browse your image into the website. So you have to just click on select image, or you can pick your image from Google Drive or Dropbox, whichever way. So I have to locate my image right here. So I have my HEIC file right here. So I'm using this image right here. So I'm going to select the image, then I'll click on open. So once you select the image and the image is going to open up just like this, then next thing you want to do is to click on convert to JPEG. So after a successful conversion of your image to JPEG, from HEIC to JPEG, you have to come here and click on download converted image. Click on that. Immediately click on that, it's going to download automatically. Okay, so right here you can see the image is being downloaded right here. So once it's download finished, you can see JPEG. So alright, you can click on here. You can click on this right here and click on open. Boom. So you can see the image right here. Very higher resolution. It's as simple as that. So this is how you can open HEIC, how you can convert to JPEG and open it. So before we are able to open the file, you can see the HEIC. So this is the image number right here. So this is the HEIC format, and this is the JPEG format right here. So you can see them. So we are able to open it now. This is HEIC and this is JPEG, and you can see the resolution become very much higher. So this is how you can open HEIC file format step by step, and you can convert it to JPEG and how you can open it on your window. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.